Using these glass gems is a plus for your projects. I want to use this bottle that I found for $1 in a thrift store to create a beautiful design to be used for decoration. I will use also this self-adhesive gold strip that I buy at Amazon and the glass gems from Dollar Tree. To paste them, I'm going to use X6000 and hot glue. First of all, I'm going to be pasting the self-adhesive gold strips just around the bottle to create a design. Now I'm going to be using X6000 and a little bit of hot glue in random places around the bottle to paste the glass gems. In my second project, I'm going to use the same crystal gems from Dollar Tree and this ice bucket from Dollar Tree to create a design using a little bit of hot glue. On the next day, I realized that some of them failed, so I used X6000 and glue again to make it stronger and stay in place. I'm gonna use the same self-adhesive gold stripes that I used in the first DIY in the glass bottle, in the edge of the pouring jar, and also the crystal clear gems. In this project, I'm going to place the crystal clear gems with hot glue all around the fishbowl, leaving some spaces. It's going to be random. You can use these beautiful pieces in a party. It will add a glam touch to your decoration. If you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Kisses and hugs. Bye.